Once again, we're here in the studio with LaGuardia from Repros Engineering. Thanks for being with us.
Hey, glad to be here.
You brought in this is a much smaller version of the T-Series printers. I mean, the T-Series must be an entire line. Tell me about the T-Series.
Yeah, Repros picked up selling the Epson Technical Series printers. This is the tabletop model. They've been building out an entire model line that goes from this all the way up to full-size systems. They're really meant for the small builder, architect, small engineering shop, places like that that don't need a full-size engineering system.
And you could fit this thing almost anywhere as compared to the other larger models, which I'm sure have more features and can do more things.
Exactly.
And all that.
This is a tabletop
but
model.
The advantage here is it fits on a tabletop.
Right.
Absolutely. So this saves you time. The T-Series, the idea is it saves you time. How does this work?
It does. I mean, the key thing with this is that you've got people that either have to run out and get the prints or bring prints to get produced, or you have to run out and get it. Now you have the ability to just send that print off right there where you're at.
And that obviously saves a lot of time. You don't have to leave the office.
Sure.
And there's some money savings, obviously, some efficiencies here. That seems like a pretty good deal.
A lot less expensive than what
One of the arguments you could make for we save money by doing it in-house.
Right.
Absolutely. So, and that's a convenience factor of being able to do it. How does that affect the workflow for the person, the owner, the operator, the architect, the engineer? The convenience factor is huge in the workflow of getting things done.
It's unbelievable because now all of a sudden you're up late at night and you're thinking, I need to have this print in the morning. Can I get to the shop, get it printed real quick and get to my appointment? Now you just run in the office, you mash the green button on your printer, you've got a print 24 by 36 ready to present.
Not everybody has that printer right around the corner.
No, you're going to Staples, you're going to Repros, one of our engineering
Sure.
shops, or one of the engineering shops in the area.
Sure. So what is the idea of the T-Series? They're customizable. What does this mean?
Well, this is the basic unit. So now all of a sudden you can get a unit that's fairly inexpensive, a tabletop unit, do quick prints, all the way up to a printer and scanner combination where you're scanning drawings and then you're printing them right on your site. And there's a couple of models in between too. Stands are available on these machines, hard drives if you're doing a lot of printing.
Why is Repros Engineering involved with selling Epson printers?
Well, Repros is one of the largest engineering sales companies in northeastern Ohio. We try to fill the entire life cycle of somebody's needs. So a person that's starting out, they're sending prints to one of our copy shops in Cleveland, Akron, or Canton. They need to, get to the point where they have these needs. They realize their person's gone getting prints done, or they need something in the middle of the night. They need a little bit extra. Now, for low cost, they can get this basic unit to get started. Then they make a unit like this that has a stand that's a little bit more in the corner, that gets off of a table. They have them with scanners, and then we can get up to full engineering machines by Osei, KIP, Ricoh, any of the major manufacturers, even HP.
Your service people are Repros employees. You run a service department that goes out in the field. How does this work?
We do. We have an entire team of service people, more service people than any people in the marketplace here servicing equipment. We have 3 service techs handling northeastern Ohio and a little bit of western Pennsylvania. So we have a full service team. We keep parts on site. We keep paper and toner and inks so that you can get it here locally.
So if somebody buys the tabletop model, is there a chance they would say, well, this has been great for us, but then at the end of the life of this model, you have the entire T-Series line to offer?
We can. We
And
can
people
move you
do
up
that.
and trade in. We can do a lease, an FMV lease, fair market value, so that you can turn the machine in after 2 years or 3 years, get a new machine that gives you more capabilities for just a little bit more on a monthly basis. So we have that full service availability.
Well, very good. Where do they go to contact you? What's the best way? Obviously, all of the contact information on the screen here.
Right. I mean, the best way
they
is...
can call, they can email, they can go to the website, they
Right.
can text you even.
Yeah. I mean, our website, reprosinc.com, INC, is a great place to go to start. We have all of our email addresses and our phone numbers there to reach that. You can stop by one of our offices. You can send an email to info@reprosinc.com, and we'll get some information right out to you.
There you go. Everything you need to know, at least in 5 minutes, about the T-Series printers. LaGuardia has been our guest from Repros Engineering, and thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.